Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 13th of July to 19th of July. Alright, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so before going towards the tarot reading, I'm just going to pick one card from you from my Osho Zen Tarot, and let's see what one card is going to tell you this week. Some direct message. Let's see. So we have a card, moment to moment. All right. So, what is this card telling you? This means that there are many things in your life you are going towards. You are, moment to moment. That is the card of Two of Pentacles from the normal deck, and it's like you are just being a little dicey. You have a lot of things. You are somewhere here, you are somewhere there. All right, and that is why you are thinking about many things. You are like, okay, I have my work, I have my love life, I have this, I have that. You are occupied. Your mind is everywhere. So the universe is telling you, this card is telling you that if you want to work, if you want to enjoy your life, just do it by moment to moment. Go towards each, enjoy every moment. Then when you will enjoy that particular moment, go towards the next step. All right, so how this person is, see, one step here at a time, then the another step here. All right, so you have to relish, you have to enjoy every second, every particular minute of your life. That is what this card is telling us. You cannot just think that, okay, I have to do all things at once. No, you cannot. Everything will come at its particular time. So in whichever place you are, in whichever moment you are, enjoy that moment and then move and then go towards the next step, next moment. All right, so that was the message for you this week. Let's see my tarot cards, what are they telling us for the Gemini 13 to 19th of July. Alright, so your aura energies are 9 of Rods. Yeah. This means that there are some kind of blockages, there are some things which you are guarding yourself. But this is more like, you are actually, that card, that moment to moment card is actually explaining a lot of things in your energies. There was a time, let's go with your past cards first. Queen of Rods, Strength, and Eight of Pentacles. You were very busy, you were very much involved in some particular thing. With the Queen of Rods, you might be dealing with a Sag, Aries or Leo, but I really feel that this is you. This is you because your passion, your work, you have a lot of things in your mind. You want to achieve a lot of things. You want to achieve some recognition, and you are working on that. More than that, you are working on yourself. So I really feel that in your past you have attained a lot of mental peace. With the Strength, you have actually attained a lot of inner strength, because the strength with the Eight of Pentacles is more like, healing, the work done within yourself, and that made you become the Queen of Rods, the top of the town. You were in that position in your past, so you have attained, you have achieved a lot of things. In your present energies, the cards are the Temperance, Four of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. I know you want to just hold on to that energy because that energy is really good. This kind of energy is like the Queen of Rods. She is just, everyone wants to become that inspiration, that person who is just like, everyone wants to be like her. Whatever she is wearing, everyone wants to copy her. So, original is original, and you are the original one. So that is what this is telling, that you want to hold on to that Queen of Rods position. You want, like, I want to be like this all my life. But I really feel that there is some kind of new beginnings coming your way, but you are holding on that I want that thing only because that made me so happy, that made me feel independent, that made me feel confident. So I know, but sometimes you have to accept new beginnings, new things coming to your life. So stop holding on because it has come in your middle of the read, because all your cards are full of positivity. So why are you holding on then? For what are you holding on? I know you have achieved a lot of things in your past, but that's not the end. There are more things coming your way. Alright, so stop guarding yourself. Stop being like a person who just wants to stay where he or she is. Move on, move further. There are more things you can achieve. Okay, in your future cards, the World, the Hermit, and King of Rods. So I really feel that with the Queen of Rods and King of Rods, the very beautiful couple. So I really feel that you are meeting someone who is actually, you are in a journey where you have started. It started when you became the Queen of Rods, that person who no one can compete, and it will end when you will meet the King of Rods, the person who is the best match for you. Okay, so best match of the Queen of Rods with the World. That means the whole cycle has been started. The day when you became the queen, when you became that person who is unbeatable, so that day your cycle has already been started. So now when will it end? When you will meet the King of Rods in your future energies. I really feel that you are meeting someone new, but you are holding on because you are more in that situation where you were that okay, fine, I am very happy with myself, I don't need anyone. No, stop thinking that way. Stop being that miser, that you don't need anyone, you cannot give your feelings towards, you cannot share your feelings. No, don't be that person. Let's clarify now. Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Yes, I really feel that there is some kind of thing, might be a person in your life with the Page of Cups and Hierophant. Somebody has come, might be a love offer has come your way, and this person might have proposed you or told you how he or she feels, and they told you that they want to marry you, and that made you very dicey. That made you feel the Two of Pentacles with the moment to moment card. See, that thing actually made you feel that, oh my god, now what is this? I didn't even expect this thing to happen with me. Now all of a sudden, what is happening? So you are in that state that where you were so happy with yourself, and all of a sudden this love proposal has arrived. Something new has come in your life. It can be anything. I really feel that might be there is something new. A new energy is there in your life, and that new energy, you are not able to accept that energy, but that is a very good energy. It is, yes. Queen of Rods, let's clarify. Six of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Knight of Swords. So this thing made you so confident, so practical, so dashing, that you even never thought that whatever will happen with you, you will just be the way, that inner healing, that confidence from that beauty, that glow from inside, it actually strived you in your past. But there is something, if you are feeling dicey, it might be because of someone else in your life from the past, because there is something which you are going through, and that is why you made this kind of a person. That is why you have become the Queen of Rods, that person who is, you know everyone loves this person. You have become that person by healing yourself. Let's clarify Eight of Pentacles in your past energies. The Hermit, Seven of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles again. Yes. You were in a mode where, many things changed in your life. There was something in your life which happened, and you were not able to, let go of some things from your past. Might be there is some kind of a love affair in your past. There was something you were not able to let go, and that is why you decided that I have to heal myself first. I have to just, there should be some kind of inner strength which has to come inside me. I cannot stay like this forever in my life. And you worked for that thing a lot, and it took a lot of time, my dear. I know that. Yes, it took a lot of time, and now you have become some kind of a person. So that is why you are not able to accept new things, new changes, because you have become so strong now, and you are not ready that anyone from, someone coming in your life, entering your life, you will not allow the new person to destroy that new energy in you, to destroy us, to destroy you. You don't want that. You don't want your balance, your harmony, your mind peace, your peace of mind, sorry, that thing. You don't want that. It should be, it cannot be just, no one can, how to say this, no one can come and destroy my peace of mind. Yes, this is what your exact words are. Let's see. This Four of Pentacles. But the offer which is coming towards you, I'm telling you, it's a very beautiful and very stable offer. I don't know why are you holding on. Wheel of Fortune, the Empress, and Eight of Wands. Yes, so this person is the Empress, and this person is here because she or he has to be here. You have done your task. This is the thing which is actually, the universe tells. Let me explain it to you how this works. You were in a state where might be like you, because of you or because of some other person, a relationship or might be a partnership, something ended. So now to start a new thing, new life, new chapter in your life, how to start that thing? First, the universe wants that you should heal yourself first. So you are healed. You have all that strength in you. You have entered that isolation mode for some time even, and you did all the work which was needed. And now the universe has something new for you, because it has to be. The universe is telling that if you have now healed yourself, now it's time for new chapters to enter in your life. Alright, so that is why the Wheel of Fortune, this new person has actually come in your life, this Empress. This person is a very, the nurturer kind of a person, who is very mature, who can handle your work, who can handle you as well. And that is why this new beginning with this Empress has come up in your life, and this all has done by the God, by the universe. They have assembled some things in your life so that You should go on with your life. You are not here to sit alone. All right. All right. So let's see the World card. Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, and Page of Swords. So many swords. Okay. So there was a cycle which ended the day you became, I told you, it ended the day you became that person who has healed from within, from outside and from inside. These things, the bad things are over. Your new cycle has started. You have started this new cycle by becoming the queen. And how will you end this cycle? By meeting the king. That means that this thing, see, the world has organized this thing for you. So stop holding on and see what is there in front of you. A very beautiful message, my Geminis, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's see what the universe has some more messages for you or not. Let's have some 3 cards. Empress, 6 of Cups, and 6 of Swords. Okay, so this might be the person who has come again in your life, might be the person from your past, for some of you, not for everyone. So it also means that this person might be coming in your dreams from a long time. So the universe is telling you this Empress, whosoever this is, it has come in your life. So just accept this cup. Okay, so this cup is there. So accept the love and move into some calmer waters with this new person. So whosoever this thing is, whosoever, if this is a situation as well, it's not about the people I'm talking. It might be a new situation as well in which you are afraid to enter. Might be a new job, might be a new business, something, and but the universe is telling you that this is going to give you a lot of confidence, a lot of stability in your life. That is what the universe is telling you. Alright, so that's all from my side, Geminis. I really hope you like the reading, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.